Tesla Cybertrucks spotted in California as reservation confirmation sent to customer. Several Tesla Cybertrucks have been spotted being transported in California, confirming the manufacturer's ramp-up efforts ahead of mass production. A Tesla customer reported that she had received confirmation of a reservation for Cybertruck. Tesla was supposed to start production of the Cybertruck sometime in mid-2023. This means that test production will start very soon. The company's ramp-up of efforts also aligns with the fact that the electric trucks are increasingly being seen in the wild. A stylishly camouflaged Cybertruck was spotted last week. But this week several units have been spotted transporting on public roads a few times. For now, sightings are coming from California, where 5 different Cybertruck units were spotted on Thursday alone. In one case, 1 truck was transported. In the other cases, 2 were transported. Another Cybertruck sighting. That's 5 different Cybertrucks today. In general, the Cybertrucks had a standard appearance. However, according to an observation by Dahlgren Marquis Twitter, one of the trucks seen has gone through some serious testing. He wrote that he noticed dents on one of the doors. The sighting was made near a factory in Fremont. My first Cybertruck sighting. At the Fremont factory. This one looked like it was heavily tested. Had some dents on the liftgate. Wild to see in person. Apparently, Tesla has a lot of test cars that may be undergoing final tests before mass production begins. At the moment, according to the latest information, the company continues to equip the production line at Giga Texas. As soon as its installation and configuration is completed, it will be possible to start test production. Notable is the fact that one of the Cybertruck pre-order holders in the U.S. reported receiving an update of information from the company. Eva McMillan Twitter has shared a screenshot of Tesla correspondence showing Cybertruck reserved. In addition, the message states that Eva will be notified to complete the configuration settings as production nears. This may hint that she could be one of the first customers to receive delivery of the epic Cybertruck. Wow, shit is getting real. So excited to get my Cybertruck. Source. Reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.